Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemzine. In this video, we will learn about the glands present in the gastrointestinal tract. The first part which we are going to see today is buccal cavity. Buccal cavity has three types of glands. These three glands are present outside the buccal cavity and they secrete the secretions into the buccal cavity. These three glands are present in pairs, that is two each. The first one is a parotid gland. Parotid gland is present in the cheek. Then the second is a submaxillary gland. It is also called submandibular gland. It is present in the lower jaw. And the third one is a sublingual gland. This gland is present below the tongue. All these three glands secretes only saliva. Second one is a liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. Liver has two lobes, right lobe and the left lobe. The structural and functional unit of liver is called hepatic lobule. Each lobule is covered by a sheath called the Glissen's capsule. The hepatic lobule has cells called hepatic cells and these cells secrete bile. Bile does not have any enzyme. It has two pigments called bilirubin and biliverdin. This bile helps in the emulsification of fat, that is, breakdown of larger fat molecules or globules into the smaller forms. The bile which is secreted by the liver is stored and concentrated by a muscular bag called gallbladder. The next part is a stomach. Stomach has three glands in its mucosa layer. The first one is a mucus neck cells. It secretes mucus. It protects the stomach from the action of the acid. Second is a peptic cell. Peptic cells are also called as the chief cells. These cells secretes pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is in its inactive form. The third one is a parietal cells. It is also called as oxantic cell. It secretes two things. One is hydrochloric acid. The other one is an intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor helps in the absorption of vitamin B12. Next one is a pancreas. Pancreas is a heterocrine gland, that is, it has two parts, exocrine part and the endocrine part. Exocrine part secretes pancreatic juice and the endocrine part secretes two hormones, insulin and glucagon. The exocrine part, that is a pancreatic juice, has some enzymes in its inactive form like trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, carboxypeptidases, and some other. And the next part is small intestine. Small intestine has goblet cells in its mucosa layer. This goblet cell secretes only mucus. And the brush border cells present in the small intestine secrete some secretions. The secretion of the brush border cells and the secretion of goblet cell, that is mucus, is together called succus entericus. The submucosa layer of small intestine has some gland called Brunner's gland. The secretion of Brunner's gland also helps in the process of digestion of food. Thank you.